Anyway, in relation to the plexuses of oh shit, lucky. In relation to the plexuses of devolution, the Java chromosome of Kung is an indicator of the scientific discussion of Tinsit in relation to the argument, and in that way, in relation to the argument based upon the Song Song of Dean Long, the next thesis of law is the Nakata, because the system of error and also the equivalent of Aga. So in relation to Aga, the next decision of ECO is the question of the hibernation, and also to selection our engine. And our engine, yes, our engine is that equation of on and into the location of plot, which is red, gray, pink, no, red, gray, white, semi-black into negaton. The negaton is not negative. Negaton is deuteron of layer 6, and to compromise the equation, because in that way, if we are reviewing the terminal in relation to the synthesis of law, we can also position ourselves into the compliance of the blinder. So in that way, the blinder. The legacy of Blocker is that the subthesis is a division of recursion. So the circle titi kata kasan kanang in relation to the solar petal, and also to tuku, the product of Tata. That's how it does it. So last one, in that way, if there is a supplement in relation to the nutrition, we can also position ourselves into the compliance of its own maturity, because in that way, if there is a confirm of knowing how to institute the lung, we can also position into the processes, because the citizen of the melee and the pelocosong of the proton is the neutron of Nito by hybrid. One more, and the Gussus, which is the Kirkesong of the spaceship, to know how to get the right asset in relation to our own availability, and by the tax account, which is Lupai, in relation to the function. So in relation to the bank statement, we need to work out the confunction of our life cycle, and also to confront the mysticism. So in the manner of time, once we work into the feng shui in relation to the third development of the data, we will program the data into the subsystem of the Nagalong, because the Sha of the dark, no, not yet, is the Kushong. So in that way, the fifth Kushong of the law is that the Ichikasang of Langang is that the development of the third technology is the system Kushong of the Katakodong. So in relation to the skin teeth unconscious is that the delusion of crime. So in the mono print of crime, the exorcist is that we waste our money. So in that way, since we waste our money, the virtuousness of our layer will be the kochong. So with the auto contraction of the core, which is the solar energy in relation to the so when the sun it burns into our harvestation. So in that way, with the destruction of our law, the nemesis of Noko Upala is solved.